Hi everyone, I am going to provide a review of your assignment of the ABA Dimensions assignment. So I'm going to share my computer screen, and if you are in Blackboard, you will be able to see the assignment on the left-hand side here under Project Information, then the Dimensions of ABA assignment. This is linked into the weekly folders, but all the information is in this Project Informations folder, Dimensions of ABA assignment. You'll want to review the ABA assignment description. This lays out the requirements of the project. So students will read Bear, Wolf, and Risley, 1968, and analyze the 7 dimensions of applied behavior analysis. Students will also choose a research article, making sure it's not a review article, from the Journal of Applied Behavior Analysis, and will identify and explain how each dimension of ABA is addressed. If a dimension is not addressed in the article, the students will make a recommendation about how the authors could address the dimension. This assignment will allow students to demonstrate written competency in the course learning objectives of being able to define and describe ABA. So I want to kind of go through exactly what you're going to be doing. So the first step is you're going to be choosing an article. So in this folder, there is article topics, and you will click on that and it will take you to a Google Doc that you are able to edit. So you are going to sign up for a topic. All of these are topics in applied behavior analysis, and topics of articles you'll be able to find in Java. So you will sign up for a topic. Please make sure that this first column is all filled before signing up for a second person on a topic. We are going to use these topics in a future week's discussion board as well. So you will sign up, and then you will use that to find your article. Here are some tips. The topic name right here is exactly what you should be searching when you go into EBSCOhost. You want to be able to find an article that you're able to read and analyze. So if you find something that you just are having a hard time reading, find something else. Some articles can be challenging to read. The more recent the article, the better, because remember, we want to be up on current research and behavior analysis. Ideally published since 2000, no earlier than 1990. And it should not be a review paper or meta-analysis. Now, I know that this is something new for some of you, so I will be providing support with this. So you will be submitting your article, and it's worth 2 points of your project, kind of on a pass-fail basis. But if you find something that doesn't quite line up, then I'll give you another chance. So the sooner you submit articles, the sooner you'll get feedback, and the sooner you can begin your outline. So again, part 1 of the assignment is that you will choose the research article from Java. So this link right here will take you to EBSCOhost. And you may have to log in using your Daemon credentials. And now this is searching in EBSCOhost only in the Journal of Applied Behavior Analysis. So you can just do search within this publication, and then whatever topic you sign up for is what you're going to click in this box. So if I signed up for autism, search, and then all of these results will be from Java about, and autism will be in the title. So you now will have to search from article to article to find something that you're interested in, is applicable and appropriate for this assignment. Once you find that, then you will submit that in here in the Dimensions of ABA assignment part 1. This is where you will submit that, and then I'll be reviewing them and providing feedback. Part 2 is that you will read Bear, Wolf, and Risley, which is assigned in week 4 content, and I just want to emphasize that you will be reading it in week 4, but we will be talking about it for all of week 5's content. So you'll be taking that article and the 7 dimensions and comparing them and determining where you are seeing the 7 dimensions in the article you chose and how it exemplifies those 7 dimensions. You will be submitting an outline of your paper for review. This will be evaluated using the rubric for 8 points. Here's a link that can help you on how to write an outline. Here is, again, so that it discusses here, you will provide a description and discussion of the importance of each dimension, of 1 paragraph each, an example or suggestion of how each dimension is addressed in the article, and a comprehensive introduction and conclusion should be used. You must adhere to APA style, a title page, a running head, page numbers and references. An abstract is not required. And here are the submissions and due dates. So I was just talking about the outline. You will have to turn that in by December 14th. Again, the sooner you turn in the outline, the sooner you'll get feedback, and the sooner you can start on your paper. And then your final paper is due on the last day of class, December 28th, 2019. So please make sure you're paying attention to those deadlines that are laid out in the project description. In the folder, I lost my menu, sorry. In this folder as well, there is the rubric. This rubric has been updated from the syllabus, so please use this rubric when developing your assignment. It does talk about the outline and then all parts of the assignment that are required and how it will be graded. And then you'll see at the very bottom there is the outline of the third part, the paper, which is due on the last day. So again, remember, when submitting articles and outline, be checking Blackboard frequently for feedback in case new articles or revisions are needed. And please just ask for help. I understand that this is your first big assignment in your coursework, and there may be a bit of a learning curve. So that's why we're here. We're here to help. So please be reaching out through email and be checking your Blackboards if you've submitted things so we can go back and forth. If you have any questions, please do reach out.